Welcome to today's deep dive into 5 side hustles that can potentially add an extra $1,000 to your monthly income. Over the past few months, I've dedicated multiple hours to research and have narrowed it down to the top 5. For each side hustle we explore, we'll carefully assess it against 5 key criteria: flexibility, initial investment, skills required, income potential, and growth opportunities. But that's not all. I will also share examples of successful people in each gig and look at some on Fiverr. All 5 of these side hustles are ones that I have personally undertaken, drawing from my own experience, or ones I have outsourced to someone else, so I am quite familiar with them. I've invested a lot of effort into this, and I'm confident you'll find it valuable. Stay with me until the end, and let's get started. Our first spotlight: thumbnail designer. In the world of YouTube, a thumbnail serves as the first impression, the hook that draws viewers in. This gig offers flexibility, as you can design thumbnails at any hour, making it ideal for fitting around any schedule. You can set your own hours, whether it's a late-night session of creativity or a productive morning. You can begin with free software like Canva. For a broader toolkit, Adobe Photoshop is a top choice, offering trial versions too. Subscribing grants access to AI features that can elevate your designs. My experience with AI elements has often led to better performing thumbnails. Having an eye for design is a beneficial skill. Many successful thumbnail designers are self-taught, using YouTube tutorials and resources to perfect their craft. It's a skill that goes beyond design though. It has a significant psychological element. It's about understanding what compels a viewer to click, which definitely improves over time. Thumbnail pricing ranges from $10 to $100, reflecting design complexity and client needs. Growing your portfolio boosts your earning potential. Utilize platforms like Fiverr for visibility or directly contact channels for work. I recall that even successful YouTubers like Mark Tilbury had their thumbnail designer reached out via Instagram. On Fiverr, freelancers often charge $10 to $40 for thumbnails, with the option to earn more by offering add-ons such as the source Photoshop file. Starting with thumbnail design can open the door to a career in graphic design. It's common for designers to advance into branding, social media design, or agency business. The skills gained can open various opportunities, such as making thumbnails for Facebook or Instagram ads. Now let's explore the second side hustle: Shopify website developer. The e-commerce boom has transformed Shopify into a bustling marketplace for businesses of all sizes. Shopify boasts 2.1 million daily active users, and since the pandemic, it has become the preferred option to launch products online due to the ease of getting started. As a Shopify developer, you can enjoy the freedom to work from anywhere at any time. Getting started is low cost, with Shopify offering a free trial period. You can begin with basic design templates and free tools, and gradually invest in premium themes, which you can buy secondhand at 75% to 90% discounted prices on eBay. Just be sure to check the reviews. I've used them in the past and never had issues. This hustle is accessible for beginners who are willing to learn. There are ample resources available, from Shopify's own tutorials to a catalog of online free courses. Compared to when I started, Shopify now offers a number of AI features, such as for product descriptions or image editing, which help you deliver high-quality work faster. Most of the work can be done by a drag-and-drop website builder, but if you're a coder, then you can achieve even more customization. Here on the screen you can see one of my best Shopify product pages that I created, which generated over $20,000 in sales in 1 month. However, it took me around 9 months of refining. Assuming you're taking on Shopify development work, where you build websites for others and offer this as a service, you can charge anywhere from $80 to $400. But if you're skilled, you can charge more, even up to $1,000 per website, as we can see in this examples here. Starting as a Shopify developer can lead to broader opportunities in web development, digital marketing, and e-commerce consultancy. It's a skill set that's in high demand, with the potential to scale into a full-fledged digital agency. Both side hustles we've covered are proven and tested. The third side hustle in my research is trending, with a lot of potential for the coming years. There's a gap for people to offer this service to businesses, becoming an AI chatbots developer. Imagine having a chatbot on your Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, or WhatsApp business account, trained with the information you've provided, capable of giving human-like answers like ChatGPT. It will help businesses improve customer satisfaction, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. Like our last two side hustles, this role offers immense flexibility. You can take on as many AI chatbot projects as you can handle and develop them from anywhere at any time. Starting as an AI chatbot developer is cost-effective. Many platforms offer free versions or trial periods, usually allowing you to engage up to 1,000 contacts for free, enabling you to build basic chatbots and upgrade as needed. The most interesting aspect is that this side hustle doesn't require coding and provides a drag-and-drop chat flow builder. Platforms like ManyChat and ChatFuel enable you to create sophisticated chatbots using intuitive interfaces. They allow you to train on the data of the business. The game becomes even more interesting, which is why we call them AI chatbots, because you can integrate with ChatGPT, elevating the quality of the answers. Income varies based on chatbot complexity and client needs. Developers can charge a setup fee plus a monthly maintenance fee, potentially earning significant amounts if the chatbot adds substantial value to a business. Fiverr shows rates from $80 to $225, and my experience suggests that the amount of work to charge the difference between basic and premium isn't always much, and with practice you become even more efficient, with most of these projects becoming 1 to 3 days of work in reality. As you gain experience, you can offer more advanced features or specialize in certain industries. This will also give you the confidence to experiment with other tools like this. For example, Midjourney for AI image creation. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please subscribe and like. Your engagement motivates me to continue delivering valuable content. Now, onto the fourth side hustle, faceless YouTube channels. This is a unique opportunity for content creation, focusing on scripts, voiceovers, animations, or curated footage. It's an exciting space, with AI like Sora set to raise content quality standards soon. This hustle provides the ability to work on your content whenever and wherever you choose, ideal for the camera shy. It's your own business from the start, demanding 5 to 15 hours weekly to create a 5 to 10 minute video, combining flexibility with the need for consistent effort. Starting as a solo team, you'll need only a computer, editing software such as Filmora or Adobe Premiere Pro, and AI voiceover tools, all for an initial cost of about $50 to $100. Focus on 4 skills: script writing, video editing, thumbnail creation, and understanding YouTube's algorithms. AI can speed up editing and enhance quality, especially for voiceovers and animations. Remember, AI like ChatGPT-4 isn't a full scriptwriter. It polishes grammar, but your storytelling and content must be original to engage the audience effectively. Thumbnails are also crucial for attraction, something we've discussed before. Income potential on YouTube varies greatly. Successful creators can make from a few hundred to millions annually. To monetize with ads, you need to be in the YouTube Partner Program, which requires 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Earnings per 1,000 views, CPM, range from $1 to $30, with most channels earning between $5 and $15. For more profitable niches, search YouTube niches with high CPM on Google. Above all, passion for your niche drives genuine engagement and success in this side hustle. As your channel grows, diversify income streams through merchandise, exclusive content, or sponsorships. Building a YouTube channel, faceless or not, requires consistent effort, creativity, and patience. A top faceless channel example that I enjoy is Magnates Media. Lastly, our fifth side hustle, online writer. Writing is a timeless skill with a spectrum of possibilities in the digital age. Bill Gates' 1996 essay still rings true today. Content is king. Whether it's early morning or late at night, you can set your work schedule around your lifestyle. The investment is minimal, just a computer and internet access. This gig is suited for all skill levels, but my advice is to master the art of persuasive writing. Businesses need quality writers for various tasks, from TikTok scripts to Twitter threads. Writing requires significant mental effort and the ability to focus deeply, making it a skill that demands practice and concentration. Use social media as your portfolio. Earnings can be as diverse as the content you create. Freelance writers can earn from 5 cents to 35 cents per word, meaning a 1,000-word article could net between $50 to $350. You need to start somewhere, and then the sky is the limit with experience. For example, copywriter Laura Belgray used to charge $950 an hour for writing snappy phrases for Instagram. Create a personal website to showcase your writing. Make it easy for clients to find and hire you with a clear Hire Me section. Use social media as your portfolio. Share your work widely to attract clients and build your reputation. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to comment, like, and share. I would like to hear from you if any of these side hustles resonate with you and whether you're already working on any of these in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this video, then I don't want you to miss where I share the best 5 high-income skills to develop this year. So, catch you in the next video.